trees. So, as a nationally elected official, and I won in Tarlac, number 1, I think, or 2, and I won in Banban, perhaps you even carried me your sample ballot, we have to know. Di ba ho? So if you're really Chinese and fronting for other people, go back to your country. But if you are Filipino and you were born here, convince us because we want to be convinced. So I'm trying to help you by trying to make you recall about your childhood. Hindi pwedeng, kasi parang scripted. Kasi I was born on this. This is what I can remember. And then when I ask you the same question, it's the same rote. R-O-T-E. So convince us.
Your Honor, lumaki po ako sa Bamban, Tarlac. Lumaki po ako sa farm.
Paulit-ulit.
Apo.
Anong barangay, anong farm, sino po yung nag-alaga sa inyong sabi nyo na binibisita kayo ng ama nyo, ano yung family situation, sino pong makalaro nyo, kaklase nyo, kung homeschooled kayo, sino po nag-homeschool sa inyo, ganun po.
Madam Senator,